Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on DIY glitter ornaments. This is a very simple project and it's very easy to do. But for this project I'm using disc ornaments, and the difference between the disc ornament and a traditional round one, it is kind of a flatter shape. And I like it better because it helps me for the stickers I'm going to put on it later. Polyacrylic. I got this at Home Depot, but you can pretty much get it at any hardware supply store, but it is kind of pricey. So if you have a crafting buddy, I would suggest that you guys go in on it and split it because it is not cheap. The first step in making this glitter ornament is that I'm going to be taking some of the polycrylic and I'm going to put it inside of the disc ornament, and I'm just going to make sure it's just nicely coated around the ornament, and then give it time to kind of not completely dry, because you don't want it to be completely dry, but that it's not still wet enough to drip out of the ornament itself. So I let it drain a little bit before I continue with the next step. For this next step, I'm just taking my glitter and I'm going to put a generous amount inside of the ornament and just shake it around until the ornament is completely covered. Now that I have the ornament completely covered, for the next step, I'm going to take the gem stickers, and I'm going to go cover the circumference of the ornament with the gem stickers. So now I'm going to be adding these stickers, these holiday stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. And I know people have their opinions about Hobby Lobby, but they have the best stickers. And they have the most stickers I've actually seen that actually feature African Americans, and they're so cute. So I really love these line of products that they have come up with, and I think they're perfect for this project.